just hear this every once in a while. I'm gonna just put my so maybe once a week. I don't know if this is the hum. People talk about the hum. I don't know if this is some sort of construction equipment. This is the loudest it's ever been. Today it's super loud. Like, this is the loudest. This sounds like it almost sounds like it's like a plane over my house. But see how it goes? Like, there it comes again. Like, mostly construction doesn't start until 8 a.m. Although they do overnight stuff. I don't know. It's just such a bizarre noise that I've never heard before. It makes me wonder, I don't even want to speak it, to put it out there, but I could not stand living next to or near a data center. Oh, I won't. I refuse. But I don't know. Maybe it's just construction equipment. Maybe it's just underground burrowing. I don't know where that would be taking place. But if you know in the comments, put it down.